We are Torbay Coast and Countryside Trust, and we care for 80% of Torbay's green spaces. Our mission is for people and wildlife to coexist in harmony, and to preserve Torbay's heritage for generations to come. We care for Torbay's coast and countryside by focusing on conservation, agriculture, recreation and engagement. We care for over 1,700 acres of land across the bay, including 40 miles of footpaths and bridleways, listed buildings, sites of special scientific interest, country parks, local and national nature reserves, special areas of conservation, an organic farm, shop and restaurant, and a visitor attraction. By supporting us, you're helping to preserve the places you love. Join us for a greener future. Become a member, volunteer and donate, and together we can make a difference.